Here's how you can use different fonts and different size in one text. First, take a text plus node, then write some text, then right click and select character level styling. Then open the text plus node in the Fusion, then select the template node and go to modifiers. Now from this screen, you can select whichever text you want to change the font, and then you can change the font. You can also change the size as well. You can select whole text if you like, change the font of that text. You can also change the tracking on those individual texts, and also you can change the color from here as well. And in the transform tab, you can change the position. You can also rotate the text using X, Y and Z axis. And if you want to animate any one of those, go to the text tab and turn on the keyframe from here, then move forward and make any changes, and it will animate throughout that time. Still, the animation is quite limited with this modifier and very hard to do because there's just one single keyframe. I hope Blackmagic Design adds more option to this modifier.